Hi, I'm Marna Williams, and I will be teaching a course in the fall called Understanding the Immune Response to Coronavirus and the COVID-19 Vaccines. This pandemic has been very challenging for all of us, but it's also brought some opportunities. There's been an unprecedented global sharing of information, but sometimes it can be difficult to understand the science, particularly when there are conflicting reports in the media. I have an educational background in immunology. I have a PhD and postdoctoral fellowship, along with 20 years of experience working in the biopharmaceutical industry. And this has given me the background to better understand and interpret the scientific literature. This course will be for people who do not necessarily have that background, but want to understand the key concepts from the peer-reviewed literature. I'll start the course by discussing the key immune cells that are involved in the immune response to the coronavirus. And then we'll move on to the key scientific advances over the past 2 years, starting with the 4 different types of vaccines and how the immune response differs across these vaccine platforms. We'll move on to talk about the genomics of the variants as well as the mechanisms of protective immunity. And then we'll talk about the future. The next generation vaccines, the boosters, the new therapies for coronavirus to prevent severe COVID, along with the ongoing research on long COVID. This course is an 11-week format, and it's an extended version of the course, the 6 weeks course that I taught last fall. And the course is suitable both for people who took the prior course as well as for newcomers, because I'll begin the course by providing the background on the immune cells of the human body before moving on to the key findings in 2022, the vaccines, the variants, and then we'll move on to topics that we did not cover as well in the fall 2021 course, which are topics like long COVID and new vaccines, and as well as new variants. So I want to conclude by saying that I really enjoy reading the scientific literature and translating it into easily understandable language. And I'm hoping that you, through the discussions that we have, will be in a better position for understanding the science during this unprecedented time. Thank you.